Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark from a video for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my browser in my computer, and first of all we need to search for watermark remover, and then there will be some websites we can use to remove watermark from our video, but I recommend you choose like this website, online video cutter. After you found this website, you can open it, and we're going to use this website to remove watermark for free. You can click on open file, and then you can choose video you want to remove the watermark from. And wait guys, I'm still looking for my video. Wait. Okay, this one. I'm going to click on open, and then we're going to select the watermark. I'm going to select the watermark right here. Okay, you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks, and after that we're going to click on apply. Okay, and as you can see guys, that the watermark has been removed from my video, but I know that the result is not that perfect, but at least the watermark has been removed from this video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove watermark from our video for free. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.